we guide you through how to delete recorded meeting in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams and sign in to your account. Then go to the left sidebar and click on Chat or OneDrive or SharePoint depending on where your meeting recording is stored, because Teams recording are usually saved automatically in OneDrive for private meetings or SharePoint for channel meeting. Next, locate the recorded meeting file by searching the meeting name or scrolling through your recent files. And once you find the recording, click the three dots More Options next to the file, then select Delete from the drop-down menu. After that, confirm the deletion when prompted to permanently remove the file from the storage. If you cannot find it in the chat, go directly to OneDrive under My Files, then open the recording folder and repeat the same process. For channel meetings, go to specific team channel, open the Files tab, then find the recordings folder and delete it from there. And finally, remember that deleted recordings may go to recycle bin where you can restore or permanently delete them if needed.